Welcome to the introduction of the AI revolution in business. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the business landscape. It's no longer just a futuristic concept. AI is rapidly changing how we work and live. From automating tasks to providing insightful data analysis, AI offers unprecedented opportunities for entrepreneurs to innovate and grow their businesses. Whether you're a startup aiming to compete with larger companies or an established business looking to improve efficiency, AI is a powerful tool for anyone looking to thrive in the digital age. In this section, we'll explore AI in action, real-world applications across industries. The applications of AI in business are vast and continue to expand rapidly. In the healthcare sector, AI is revolutionizing patient care, diagnosis, and drug discovery. AI-powered medical imaging analysis can help doctors detect diseases earlier and with higher accuracy. AI algorithms are being used to develop personalized treatment plans based on a patient's medical history and genetic makeup. In the finance industry, AI-powered fraud detection systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, protecting businesses and consumers from financial crimes. Robo-advisors are providing personalized investment advice and portfolio management services, making financial planning more accessible. Retail businesses are leveraging AI to enhance the customer experience and drive sales. AI-powered recommendation engines provide customers with personalized product suggestions, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. Chatbots and virtual assistants are providing instant customer support, answering questions and resolving issues quickly. Manufacturing companies are using AI to optimize production processes and improve efficiency. AI-powered predictive maintenance systems can anticipate equipment failures, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. AI-powered robots are automating tasks in factories, increasing productivity and reducing labor costs. Let's delve into building your AI-powered business model. Creating a successful AI-driven business model requires careful planning and execution. It's essential to identify the right AI tools and strategies that align with your business goals. Start by identifying areas within your business where AI can create value. This could involve automating tasks, improving decision-making, or enhancing customer experiences. Once you've identified potential use cases, you need to assess the data requirements. AI algorithms rely on data to learn and make predictions, so ensure you have access to relevant and high-quality data. Next, you need to choose the right AI tools and technologies for your needs. There are numerous AI platforms and services available, each offering different capabilities. Consider factors such as ease of use, scalability, and integration with your existing systems. It's crucial to select tools that align with your technical expertise and budget. Building a strong AI team is essential for success. This team should include data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI specialists who can develop, deploy, and maintain your AI solutions. Investing in training and development for your existing workforce is crucial to ensure they can work effectively with AI technologies. Now let's talk about essential AI tools for entrepreneurial success. A wide range of AI tools can empower entrepreneurs to build and scale their businesses. These tools offer various functionalities, from data analysis to natural language processing. One essential tool is AI-powered customer relationship management, CRM, software. These platforms can analyze customer data to identify patterns, predict customer behavior, and personalize interactions. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately, revenue growth. Natural language processing, NLP tools, are invaluable for businesses dealing with large volumes of text data. NLP algorithms can analyze customer feedback, social media posts, and online reviews to understand customer sentiment, identify trends, and improve products and services. Marketing automation platforms powered by AI can streamline marketing campaigns and improve their effectiveness. These platforms can segment audiences, personalize email marketing messages, and optimize ad spending for maximum return on investment. AI-powered chatbots can also be integrated into marketing campaigns to provide instant customer support and generate leads. Predictive analytics tools are essential for businesses looking to anticipate future trends and make data-driven decisions. These tools use historical data to identify patterns and make predictions about future outcomes such as customer churn, sales forecasting, and inventory management. Implementing AI in your business requires a structured approach to ensure a successful outcome. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. First, define clear objectives. Begin by clearly outlining your business objectives for AI implementation. What specific problems are you trying to solve, or areas do you want to improve? Having well-defined objectives will guide your AI strategy and ensure you're focusing on the right areas. Next, data preparation. Data is the foundation of any AI solution. Gather, clean, and prepare your data for analysis. Ensure that your data is accurate, complete, and relevant to your AI objectives. Data pre-processing is crucial for training AI models effectively. Then, model selection and training. Choose the appropriate AI models and algorithms that align with your objectives and data. Train your AI models using your prepared data. This involves feeding the model historical data so it can learn patterns and make predictions on new unseen data. Finally, model evaluation and refinement. After training, evaluate your AI model's performance using metrics relevant to your objectives. Iteratively refine and optimize your models to improve their accuracy and effectiveness. This may involve adjusting parameters or trying different algorithms. As with any transformative technology, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations surrounding AI implementation. Responsible AI development and deployment are essential to building trust and ensuring fairness. One primary ethical concern is bias in AI algorithms. AI models are trained on data, and if the data reflects existing biases, the AI model can perpetuate and even amplify these biases. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Transparency and explainability are crucial for building trust in AI systems. Users need to understand how AI decisions are made and what factors influence those decisions. Black box AI models, where the decision-making process is opaque, can erode trust and create challenges in accountability. Data privacy is another significant concern. AI models often require access to vast amounts of data, including personal and sensitive information. Businesses must handle this data responsibly, ensuring they comply with privacy regulations and protect user data from unauthorized access. Job displacement is a valid concern associated with AI adoption. As AI automates tasks previously performed by humans, it's essential to address the potential impact on the workforce. Retraining and upskilling programs can help workers adapt to new roles and thrive in an AI-driven economy. The future of AI in entrepreneurship is incredibly promising. AI will continue to evolve at an unprecedented pace, creating even more opportunities for innovation and growth. One significant trend is the rise of AI-powered personalization. Businesses will leverage AI to deliver highly personalized experiences to their customers, tailoring products, services, and marketing messages to individual preferences. AI-driven automation will continue to transform industries, automating increasingly complex tasks and processes. This will free up human workers to focus on higher-level tasks requiring creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The emergence of new AI technologies such as quantum computing and edge AI will unlock even more powerful capabilities. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize AI by enabling the processing of vast amounts of data at speeds unimaginable today. Edge AI will bring AI processing closer to the data source, enabling faster decision-making and reducing latency. For new entrepreneurs, the AI revolution presents a unique opportunity. Here's some practical advice to help you embrace AI and leverage its power. First, embrace a growth mindset. The field of AI is constantly evolving. Be open to learning new things, experimenting with different AI tools, and adapting your strategies as needed. A growth mindset will be essential for navigating the ever-changing AI landscape. Next, start small and scale gradually. You don't need to implement AI across your entire business all at once. Start by identifying a specific area where AI can make a significant impact and focus on a pilot project. Once you've achieved success, you can gradually scale your AI initiatives. Also, focus on solving real problems. Don't implement AI just for the sake of using the latest technology. Focus on identifying real business challenges that AI can effectively address. AI should be a tool to solve problems and create value for your business. Finally, build a strong AI team. Surround yourself with talented individuals who understand AI, data science, and machine learning. A strong AI team will be crucial for developing, implementing, and maintaining your AI solutions. Invest in training and development for your existing workforce to ensure they are equipped to work alongside AI technologies. Lastly, stay informed about AI trends. The field of AI is constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest advancements, trends, and best practices. Attend industry events, read articles and research papers, and engage in online communities to stay ahead of the curve.